kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Blue color, light yellow color, brown color, orange color, black color, sky blue color, red color and pink color. Let's start. Red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. F for fish. G for goat. Black color. H for house. I for eyes. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nose. Blue color. O for owl. P for piano. Q for queen. R for ring. S for star. T for tomato. U for umbrella. Color. V for village. W for water. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. And at last cute kitty for happy kids. So kids, what we learn today? We learn red color, black color, blue color and dark blue color, yellow color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, and at last smiley for happy kids. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share, subscribe my channel. We will see you in next video. Till then, bye.